We are here on another repair, and this one shouldn't be too bad. See the tank? I'm standing on it right now. This is one of those old tanks that only have one lid on one side, so those are always tricky. You gotta slide the pipe all the way in from one end of the tank into the front lid, put your T on, and then pull everything back. So that's the way we gotta do it today. The old drain field actually runs right in that area. We are gonna run the new drain field right in that area. We got to pull into the church parking lot from next door, so the truck's real close. We're gonna get on it. Appreciate you guys watching. The last video was fun. Bye. Oh, okay, so we got the drain field installed, everything dug out. We only hit a small amount of the old drain field, not much. It looked like it hadn't got water in its entire life, but here's the drain field. .300 square feet. Look at this old drain field. This is the pipe that I pulled out. Look at that. Hasn't seen water in a long time. But right now, we're gonna jump on this. We're gonna pipe everything in and we're gonna get out of here. We gotta go change a pump. And then I gotta do a locate later. So, see you later. We got it in, 300 square feet. Everything's piped. Everything is piped in. Take you around here, show you the rest. Right there. Nice and simple. Like I said, only had a little bit of drain field. That was it. The rest was just really clean, kind of clumpy dirt, maybe a touch of, I don't know. I'm not gonna act like I know about soils, but we're done. Now we're gonna go change this pump. Thank you. See you later. Well, we are about to head and cover the drain field we did yesterday. But first, I wanted to show you guys the great news that we got. Look what's back. We got the skid steer back. 65 is ready. May honestly don't need it this week. I may have to take it out just to use it. Yeah, so brand new motor. Was weird getting in it to load it up and bring it over here. It's a lot tighter in the cab. I didn't really realize there was that much difference between the 75 and 65, but all I can say is good riddance to that 75, that piece of junk they gave me. Hopefully this thing lasts us a lot longer than it has. It hasn't even been a year yet, and it's spent more time in the shop than it has with me. So I'm hoping that the new motor apparently was recalled. The motor was recalled or something that they told me. So we'll see how this motor lasts. They kept saying something about the turbo, but there's no way that the turbo caused all that damage or whatever happened. It never smoked, never ran bad, never any issues, just an oil light, and then boom, new motor. But we got it back. I can't wait to use it. We're gonna grease her down. Yeah, I may just have to go cover up a job this week with it just so I can run it. We are finished up covering that one. Sorry I didn't have time to grab the camera and do any talking. We finished 20 minutes before I had to be at the dentist. So I had to speed over, drop off all the equipment, trailer, and take off and get to the dentist for an appointment. So that's that. But we got it covered, raked out, you guys seen. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. So today we're putting in a brand new system, tank and drain field. That's what we're putting in today. It's nice and easy. It's in ground. We're making a little change on the drain field side only because this is all we could find. There's a huge shortage of chambers right now. Infiltrator can't keep up making them, so we're using these low profile chambers. The difference is that these are only 8 inches tall, hence low profile. They're 16 inches wide. Arcs and quick fours are both 12 inches high and they're 24 inches wide. The invert on this is 2 inches versus 6.5 on the arcs and the quick fours. Maybe I like them. They're a lot like, they're just like the quick fours, except they're just smaller. So that's 2 more panels for $375 than we would have used if we would have just got quick fours. So it's all that stuff, nothing's really that different, not enough to like sway me one way or the other. And the end plates are also smaller. You have to drill out the end plates on those two, which is my pet peeve. That's the one thing I hate about the quick 4 end plates, is that you drill them out. So we're gonna get to work though. Well, we got the tank in. Couldn't complain about the sand until you start setting a tank in it. It just caves in, caves in, caves in. So the process is tougher, longer, but we got it done, we got it in. I'll show you guys. So there's the tank. They got this RV sitting, or this camper sitting here, kind of in our way. That wasn't supposed to be here. Now we're gonna set the drain field. The drain field is gonna go right here. I was wrong about the low pros earlier when I said they're 16 inches wide versus 24. They're 24 inches wide, 23 inches wide. So they're pretty much exactly the same as the quick fours, except they're 8 inches tall instead of 12 inches tall. But we're gonna get the drain field in now, knock it out really fast, and that's it for the day. All right, we're all finished up. Got everything piped in, drain fields laid. I like the low profiles. There's a few things I would like better, but there's the drain field. There's the tank, 270 square feet. Went in easy. Took a little longer than expected. That's okay, because it went in. We will get it inspected tomorrow and we'll cover, and we'll see you guys then. We got that one covered up. Was not able to use a skid steer like I was hoping. That job just, it was supposed to be where that camper was not in our way. The camper was supposed to be on another part, but he set it up until they get the house there. He set that one up and right in our way. Skid steer would have just been more hassle than it was worth, so it made more sense to leave the excavator there, cover with that. But I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you're subscribing, commenting. I appreciate all the love. Instagram at Lakeland Septic Company. Thank you guys. Appreciate you all for watching. I love doing these videos. I would do them if nobody was watching. So the fact that anybody watches it, it's awesome. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.